In this video on Glaxnimate, we're going to look at how we can animate this bell icon as you can see right now on the screen. Let's get started. So let's place this bell icon as an object on the canvas, and since it's too large, I will just want to reduce it down by holding onto any of these handles and reduce down. Once we have that, we need to set the anchor point. So you can see the anchor point is right here on the center. So what we need to do, since we're going to rotate at this location here, let's bring this anchor point or the pivot point to this location. So now we are able to rotate this bell at this anchor point or the pivot point. To animate this bell, let's enable the recording button. And from here, let's move the frame to frame 5. And then let's bring the bell up here, go down to frame 10. Let's bring it to the other side. Let's go to frame 15. Let's move it to the other side. So we can do like this, but there's a simple way we can do it. Simply go to the image or the bell icon, and then under the transform, you can see the rotation. So what we want to do is to type in a number here from negative and also positive. So with that, let's bring this back to 0 so that we're going back to the original position. And now let's move the playhead to frame 20, and here I want to type in negative 50. So negative 50 is going anti-clockwise. And then let's move to frame 25, and then here let's type in 50. So moving back to clockwise, and let's move to frame 30. And then here type in negative 50 again to move to the other side. And then let's move to frame 35, and here again type in 50. So this is the how we can add the number at this rotation here. So I'm going to speed this up, and once I'm finished, we'll come back again. Okay, so I just went as far as 105 frame. And now let's stop the recording button here and just bring the playhead to the beginning and play this, as you can see. Okay, so this is how we can animate this bell. Now already you can just simply right click here and create the ease in, ease out, or linear. All these things are here, or you can just simply use the custom animation and do some little ease in, and this one custom, then click OK. So when it comes to here, slow down. Okay, so that's how we can animate the bell, and you can apply this technique to any other object as you place them on the canvas and try to animate them. Thank you again for watching. See you back again in another video on Glaxnimate.